Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be unboxing and reviewing the all-new JONR ED12 Vacuum Cleaner, as you can see right here. So now let's get straight into the unboxing. So right now it's the assembly time. So first of all, there's a stick right here and the handle. So basically you just put it in like that and clip. Okay, it's that simple, and this step is done. Ooh, there is even a USB port right here, guys, so you can charge. So yeah, this step is done, and the next step is basically refilling water to the water tank right here. And there is a cleaning tablet provided by JONR, as you can see right here. So basically this cleaning tablet is, there's instructions right here. So basically you just take one tablet and put it in. So basically there's a lot of tablets in there. So I'm going to take one tablet and I'm going to open it. Alright, the tablet is now it's inside, and I'm going to fill it up with clean water, and I'll be right back, guys. So right now I already filled the water tank with water, and I'm going to close it. Alright, so now it's closed, and I'm going to put it in here, right on top here. This is where you put the water tank. You just spin it once and it's clipped like that. So to remove it, just turn it, and to put it in, just turn it right in like that, and you can hear the click sound. So basically it's ready to be used right now. It's super easy to install, guys. And the next step is basically the charging part. So basically, in order to charge the device, you have to first plug in the adapter and take the cable right here. Just plug it into this hole on the left side and just put it on the floor. Basically this is very light, it's made out of plastic. So you just put it aside. It's basically charging, as you can see. The lights are blinking, it means the device is charging properly. Alright, and to use it, it's super simple. So guys, after using this vacuum for some time, I can say that this vacuum has a very strong suction, because it can suck carpet and also hard surfaces, as stated by JONR. It can clean multi-surface, and the best part is the battery health. I mean, the battery health life can last up to 35 minutes on low mode, and it has several modes which you can set by pressing the button right here. There is two buttons up there actually, which is a power button and one more to set the mode that you want. And the best part is it's super easy to operate, guys. In order to refill the water, I just twist left, open this and refill the water, and close it tight, and I twist right. It's that simple. And to clean the trash, pour it out and you're ready to go. It's that simple, guys. It's that simple. This vacuum is like, I just see it once and I read the instruction one time and I can already use the vacuum so easily. It's that simple. If you guys are interested in this vacuum cleaner, just refer to the description down below. There's a link to purchase, and hope you guys found this video helpful. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel as well. So see you guys in the next video.